Meaning of Glamis Castle.
Glamis Castle.
Glamis Castle.
Glamis Castle.
Glamis Castle. Glamis Castle is a historic castle located in Scotland. Its origins can be traced back to the 14th century, when it was first constructed as a fortification against invading English forces. Over the centuries, it has served as a royal residence and played host to many important historical events. The castle is perhaps most famous for being the childhood home of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. Today, it is open to the public and serves as a popular tourist destination, with visitors flocking to see its impressive architecture and learn about its fascinating history.